Hey guys, it's Mark, Collectible Motorcar of Atlanta, and today I'm proud to offer a 1932 Bebop Ford Highboy. This thing is super cool, super custom. First, it's actually sitting on an American stamped frame. Very cool, as you can see. It's done in harvest tan with oxblood interior. Under the hood, you've got a fresh 283 small block Chevy V8 backed by a floor shift automatic transmission. Check out the front suspension. You're looking at a Pete Jake chrome front suspension, coilovers front and rear, nice stuff. Edelbrock intake, polished water pump, new alternator, Holly Sniper electronic fuel injection. The wheels are Curtis Speed equipped wheels with new Michelin tires. This thing's got a Detroit locker, just super cool, super solid. You got to come check this one out. All right guys, now we're cruising in the 1932 Ford Bebop Highboy. Welcome back, American Graffiti. This is as good as it gets, man. Open air roadster, this is fun. You got a nice billet tilt wheel. All the gauges are dolphin gauges. Floor shift automatic. Easy to drive. And did I mention it's an attention getter? Now you got to imagine yourself pulling into the local drive-in hot dog stand in a 32 Highboy. Great color. And plenty of pep, that's for sure. This 283 delivers. It's a very high quality build. And like I said guys, it's an attention getter. Now just imagine yourself on a hot Saturday night, cruising into your local cruise-in car show. This thing is hot. Doesn't get any better than a 1932 Ford Bebop Highboy.